Aquaflex portable water filter. Hydration made effortless. Ensuring access to clean water on outdoor trips is vital, and the Aquaflex portable water filter simplifies the filtration process for you. This ingenious camping tool connects directly to a water source, can be used with an attached cup or pump water into a hydration pack. Operated with just one button, it boasts a 3-stage filtration system certified to an impressive 0.01 micron level, providing top-notch protection against viruses, bacteria, parasites, heavy metals, and even enhancing the taste. It's ideal for on-the-go use. 3-in-1 camping gadget, flashlight, power bank, and folding knife. This all-in-one gadget is a must-have for on-the-go preparedness, combining a flashlight, power bank, and folding knife. With a bright 400-lumen flashlight and a 2200 mAh power bank for USB rechargeable devices, it offers versatility and convenience. The flashlight has adjustable brightness, a strobe mode for emergencies, and the 3-inch folding stainless steel blade adds functionality. Featuring a micro USB port for device recharging, it's built with durable aircraft-grade aluminum, water-resistant and impact-resistant, offering reliability in various conditions, all for an affordable $33. Tactical Paracord dispenser, portable survival rope. Imagine having 120 feet of tactical paracord in a compact holder, similar to a dental floss thread. This tactical paracord dispenser offers a remarkable 100-pound test strength, securely holding various items. The canister includes a built-in cutter for safety and convenient cord cutting, preventing tangling and unwinding. Versatile and refillable, it's an excellent addition to camping supplies, backpacking gear, emergency kits, tie-down applications, hunting, and more. The canister is available for just $25. This Wick of Bellow by Endor, portable fire starter. Starting a robust campfire is made easy with this Wick of Bellow by Endor. This portable fire starter consists of a wick infused with paraffin wax, ensuring effortless ignition on every use. Functioning like a match, the wick remains lit for up to an hour and comes with a sleeve for safe storage. Waterproof and versatile, it guarantees reliability in various weather conditions. Removing the wick transforms it into a micro-pocket bellow, effortlessly boosting flames with a quick breath. All these features come at a price of $14. Paracord heater, portable warmth for outdoor adventures. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Paracord heater is the perfect companion to stay warm during chilly adventures. With a heating capacity of 6,000 to 7,500 BTU, it efficiently warms up spaces of up to 200 square feet for up to 6 hours without the need for electricity. Running on cost-effective propane, it's ideal for areas prone to power outages. The heater is lightweight, compact, and equipped with a handle for easy transport. Safety features include a tip-over switch for automatic shutdown in case of bumps, making it suitable for camping, construction sites, gardens, or picnics. Purchase your Paracord heater today for a cozy outdoor experience. MT4 EDC multi-tool, a knife with versatility. Introducing the MT4, more than just a knife. This EDC multi-tool features a Tonto blade, a built-in screwdriver, a versatile spanner for various wrenching tasks, and a convenient bottle opener. The robust 65mm blade is crafted from hardened steel, ensuring outstanding edge retention. Sentry tactical automatic trip alarm, secure your perimeter. Enhance your security with the Sentry tactical automatic trip alarm. This integrated alarm system serves as a versatile tool for establishing a secure perimeter. Connect the trip wire at the desired height to receive alerts for animals, providing optimal perimeter security against various heights of animals, from foxes to bears. For manual deployment as a flare or bear banger, the device can be pointed away from the body in a safe direction, and the pull ring can be activated. Ensure a peaceful night's sleep during camping with instant alerts if the perimeter is compromised, or use it as a signaling flare during hiking emergencies. Sentry tactical automatic trip alarm, multi-purpose security device. For diverse security needs, the Sentry Tactical Automatic Trip Alarm is a must-have gadget. Activate the bear banger for boating safety, or use fire signaling flares when necessary, encountering large predators, or in training scenarios like airsoft or paintball. Deploy perimeters to produce a loud bang when triggered by tripwires. Priced at around $75, this versatile device ensures safety in various situations. Compact backpacking stove, lightweight cooking solution. Ideal for backpackers and campers looking to lighten their gear load, this portable backpacking stove weighs a mere 100 grams. Compact and compatible with most butane canisters, it provides a quick solution for cooking on the go. The adjustable valve allows for efficient flame control, transitioning from maximum heat output to a gentle simmer. With a modest price tag of $11 and a 100% satisfaction guarantee, it's a reliable companion for outdoor cooking. Telescopic Lantern, versatile illumination for nighttime adventures. Crafted for nighttime adventurers, this telescopic lantern offers enhanced flexibility compared to traditional LED headlamps, flashlights, or overhead lanterns. With 3 configurations, tall, expanded, and folded, it is easily portable and provides spatial lighting options by attaching to cars or ships with its magnetic base. The adjustable head and 3 lighting modes, along with power bank functionality and an SOS warning light, make it a versatile companion for various activities. Priced at $200, it ensures reliable lighting in diverse scenarios. Infinite Air Portable Wind Turbine Harness Wind Power on the Go. The Infinite Air Portable Wind Turbine condenses the concept of harnessing wind power into a backpack-friendly design. Optimized for powering 5-volt devices, it's perfect for backpacking, expeditions, and adventures. With a minimum wind speed of 8 miles per hour, it provides charge even in moderate winds. The 360-degree rotation capability ensures energy production from any wind direction. The tripod design ensures stability and serves as a step stool when needed. Priced at $225, it's a revolutionary solution for on-the-go wind power. Light Can's modular carry system, personalized outdoor essentials. Designed for quick and easy access to outdoor essentials, the Light Can's modular carry system centers around a powerful LED flashlight, allowing users to customize it with preferred tool modules. Light Cans offers 4 models to meet diverse needs. Light Can's Canteen, designed for holding beverages like coffee, water, or spirits. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.